Good morning, student. Today we will discuss from chapter number first of this topic, the age of revolutions, 1830 to 1848. In July 1830, Bourbon kings were overthrown by the liberal revolutionaries who installed a constitutional monarchy with Louis Philippe at its head. The July Revolution sparked an uprising in Brussels, which led to Belgium breaking away from the United Kingdom of the Netherlands. In 1821, Greeks struggled for independence. Next topic actually this is the subtopic, the romantic imagination and national feeling. First point, culture played an important role in creating the ideas of the nation. Art and poetry, stories and music helped express and shape nationalist feelings. Romanticism, a cultural movement which sought to develop a particular from nationalist sentiment. Language also played an important role in developing nationalist sentiments. Russian language was imposed everywhere, and in 1931 an armed rebellion against Russian rule took place which was ultimately crushed. Hunger, hardship and popular revolt. Europe faced economic hardship in the 1830s. The first half of the 19th century saw an enormous increase in population all over the Europe. The rise of food prices or a year of bad harvest led to widespread pauperism in towns and countries. In 1848, food shortage and widespread employment brought the population of Paris out on the roads. Next topic, the revolution of the liberals. In 1848, the revolution led by the educated middle classes was underway. Men and women of the liberal middle class demanded creation of a nation state on parliamentary principles, a constitution, freedom of the press and freedom of association. A large number of political associations came together in Frankfurt to vote for all German National Assembly on 18 May 1848. 831 elected representatives marched to take their places in the Frankfurt Parliament convent in the Church of St. Paul. The constitution draft for German nation was headed by a monarchy subject to a parliament. The crown was offered to Friedrich Wilhelm IV, King of Prussia, but he rejected it and joined other monarchs to oppose the elected assembly. The middle class dominated the parliament and a large number of humans participated in liberal movement. Fourth number point, women formed their own political association, founded newspaper and took part in political meetings and demonstration. But they were still denied suffrage rights during the elections of assembly. In the year after 1848, the autocratic monarchies of Central and Eastern Europe began to introduce the changes that had already taken place in Western Europe before 1850. Thus, suffragam and bonded labor were abolished both in the Habsburg dominions and in Russia. In the next video, we will discuss the unification of Germany, unification of Italy and Britain. Okay, thank you.